What causes ice to melt? What is ice made of? Yes, it's made of water. And guess what? We can make ice at home. How? By putting water in the freezer. Now, have you ever wondered why ice melts? To answer this question, we have made an experiment. We used 3 ice cubes and placed them in 3 places at different temperatures. The first ice cube is our control. We are not doing anything special to it. The second one is for fast melting. How? If you live in a sunny place, put it where the sun can reach. If it's colder, use a lamp or put it near something warm, like a fireplace. The third one is for slow melting. Where could you put the ice to keep it from melting so fast? Somewhere cold, like the fridge. Why ice melts? We discovered that temperature is the key player. The warmer it gets, the faster the ice melts. Ice melts when it absorbs heat from its surroundings. When the temperature around the ice is warmer than the freezing point of water, the ice starts to warm up. As it warms, the ice gains energy, which causes the molecules inside the ice to move faster and break free from their solid arrangement. This process continues until all the ice turns into liquid water.